What's this one?
Not two. It's a cloudy day.
There you go.
A gray day.
Very good.
A
Oops.
cloud,
No, gray.
gray, and
Gloomy.
gloomy, gray,
What was it? No,
cloud,
Yep, keep going. Cloudy.
days.
There you go.
A day to
Stay.
stay in and play.
Very good.
A day four
Mm-hmm.
and
Reading.
reading books.
There you go.
A day for make believe.
There you go.
Why does he look like a puppet or something?
He just does. Okay, let's.
A day for drawing and painting.
Very good.
And
No, we have.
it's
No. Lots.
fun
Of fun. On.
on gray
Gray.
day.
Gloomy.
Gloomy,
Cloudy.
cloudy days.
There you go.
Excuse me.
You're fine.
It
Look.
look the sun. The sun. The sun.
It is
out. Wait.
Let's
Go out. Let's
oops. Hold on, my finger's slipping.
go out
And
play.
very good.
It's a sunny day.
Very good.
A running, jumping day.
Very good.
It's a busy day.
Very good. Oops. There we go.
A day to throw and catch. A don't
Okay, it's okay.
Don't say.
Okay.
Day
Mm-hmm.
to scream
Very good.
and shout.
Very, very good. Almost done there.
Okay. A day to fly a kite.
Very good.
And
No.
wait.
Look at that word.
And
No. Look at it closely. W-E spells.
and
Remember? W-E
W-E.
spells.
spells ooh. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Does it say
No, keep going.
ooh.
Very good. Very good.
We have lots have fun in
On.
busy sunny days.
Very good. Last page.
Gray
Cloudy.
cloudy days, sunny days,
What's this word?
fun
Yep.
days.
And this book It's called Cloudy Day, Sunny Day
And
by Donald Cruz. So smile and wave.
cheese.